In this video, we're going to discuss payment entry in HZCare. In the accounting section on the invoice balances tab, you'll see the current balance for all of your clients. Let's say one of them sends in a $1,000 check and we want to log that payment. We're going to click on the client, we'll click on payment entry, and then we'll enter the $1,000 amount. In the method box, we'll select the payment method, which in this case is a check. And if you selected any of the options other than check, the check number and check date box will be hidden, but this is a check. So we're going to enter the number and we're going to enter the check date. So now you can see the balance for this client is $1,372. That's more than the $1,000 check. So by default, the check is going to pay off the earliest invoice first, February 2nd invoice. And then the remaining dollars will go to the more recent invoice of February 9th. If we want to pay off the more recent February 9th invoice first, we could select that. And that would pay off the selected invoice first, and then the remaining dollars would go to the earliest invoice that was left. Let's just say we want to pay off the earliest invoice first. I'm going to unselect that, and I'm going to hit save. So you can see the February 2nd invoice is out of the table now. It got paid off. And the February 9th invoice has a reduced balance now of $372. That's the total balance left on the client. If we go to the payment log tab, we can see the most recent payment as well as all of our previous payments. And if we click into it, we can make an adjustment here if we keyed in the check wrong. And on the allocations tab, we can see the allocation to both the February 2nd and the February 9th invoice. I'm going to back out of here. And just one final thought on payments. If the client makes the payment through the client portal, then you don't need to worry about manually entering anything. That payment will automatically show up here in the payment log and it will automatically reduce the client's balance. That's it for payment entry in HZCare. Have a good one.